this is Juliana Kenny here at the IT Expo West 2010. I'm joined by Mark McGinn, Managing Director of Verismic. Thank you for joining me.
You're welcome, thank you.
So tell me a little bit about Verismic.
Well, Verismic specializes in systems management and service management technologies and solutions. And specifically, the flagship product that we work with is the PC power management product, the Verismic Power Manager. Specifically focused to reduce carbon emissions and the energy usage for the PC estate across people's environments.
Cool. So you guys are here. Yesterday you set up your booth at IT Expo.
Yes, as part of the MSP World section.
Okay, awesome. So what do you have to offer us? What are you showing at your booth?
PC power management. So about 30% or so of the energy consumption of the IT estate is out on the PCs and laptop estates. And generally that's an area that's not well managed. So what we have is a unique offering that allows customers and users to implement control, understanding what's being used across the environment as far as energy is concerned, how efficiently systems are being used, and the ability to design and implement granular and controlled policies to allow those systems to operate more efficiently, to reduce the energy consumption of those devices. But it's a unique offering in that it's also something that is designed specifically towards MSPs as well. The ability to deliver this as a hosted model through shared services, through cloud operations, to be able to do this as potentially a zero infrastructure cost to provide it as a service model out to existing customers.
Cool. Very interesting. So obviously green technology is a huge deal these days, you know, and do you have a certain take on any recent market trends that you've noticed?
Well, we've seen a lot of it led out of California, out of North America. There's been a lot of drive within the utility vendors to promote via rebates the reduction in energy usage to be able to match really the growing cost or the difficulty in increasing the power production for the growing needs of businesses today. So California's really led the way with energy rebates for that. But many other countries, whether it be through legislation or simply through a commitment to carbon reduction as part of the different international agreements, this is really starting to come to a fore worldwide, really on people's commitment to reduce emissions from not just IT equipment, but across the board. And we're seeing that the IT sections, which account for about 2% of all emissions, are really a focus of these organizations. So governmental, but also private organizations really driving into this. So it's an international need.
How does your company deal with that whole international need? I mean, obviously that's an enormous task, so.
Well, as an organization, we operate in multiple different countries, North America, mainland Europe, and through a network of partners. We're a channel organization, so we actually deliver our solutions out through a network of resellers or through managed service providers.
Okay.
And what we're seeing is a lot more request for proposal or requirement for organizations that deliver services to have a green aspect to their operation. So it's not just a case of managing people's systems anymore or supporting those systems. People need to have an answer in this area, be able to offer something that is efficient, something that is recognizing the environmental need, but also in this economy, worldwide economy, is a reduction in the cost, something that affects the hard cost associated with energy consumption as well. So we're seeing that across the board internationally through our operations and our international partners.
Cool. Well, was there anything that struck your notice at IT Expo yesterday? Or is there anything you're looking forward to today?
Well, this is the first one of the MSP World shows that we've been to, and we found it a very useful networking opportunity to meet peers in the industry, organizations that are delivering these types of services, and we're seeing a lot of interest from the people that are attending both the IT Expo itself and the MSP World. So it's a really good networking opportunity for us to meet and understand the needs of those organizations and what they're being asked for by their customers.
Right.
So especially useful yesterday, but we're really looking forward to all the visitors today.
Great.
So should be some very good conversations.
Awesome. Well, thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
Once again, this is Mark McGinn, Managing Director of Verismic.